The Hagia Sophia stands as a masterpiece of architectural marble, a symbol of cultural transition from Byzantine to Ottoman rule. It is originally built as a cathedral in Constantinople, known as modern day Istanbul, by Emperor Justinian I in 537 AD, was a crowning achievement of Byzantine architecture. For nearly a millennium, it served as the principal church of Eastern Christianity. In 1953, the Ottoman Empire, under the Sultan Mehmed II, conquered Constantinople and the Hagia Sophia was converted into a mosque. Islamic elements were added, including minarets and calligraphy. In 1935, following the establishment of the Republic of Turkey under Mustafa Kemal Atatürk, the Hagia Sophia was secularized and turned into a museum as part of a broader effort to modernize and secularize the country. However, in July 2020, the Turkish government, led by President Erdogan, converted the Hagia Sophia back into a mosque. The Hagia Sophia's interior is a mesmerizing blend of Byzantine and Ottoman influences. Massive marble columns support the majestic dome, adorned with breathtaking mosaic depicting religious scenes. Islamic elements such as intricate calligraphy and elegant mihrab harmoniously coexist with Christian relics, creating a unique space that reflects centuries of cultural and religious transitions. The play of light and shadows accentuates the intricate detail, offering visitors a captivating journey through history within its sacred walls. You can find the mosaics of cross and representations of Mary, the mother of Jesus, in various areas of the structure. These mosaics are part of the rich artistic heritage that reflects the building's history as both a cathedral and a mosque.